Hey everyone, what's up? So welcome back to the channel. As you might already know, these are the drone drop boxes. This is actually for the April and the May. Okay, so this one came in May. So this is the April box and this is the May box from Drone Drop, and we're gonna take a look at what's inside, starting with the April box. Obviously, it's already June, so I already know what's inside. But you know, what the hell? Let's go take a look. So you might have seen my previous video where I lost Shara. So this came at a very good time. So this might help me, fix my stuff up. Let me just find a cutter. Okay. All right. So this is really gonna help me, get back up in the air. I actually have the old Source 2 frame from the previous drone drop boxes and one of the ESCs. I believe I'm just missing a flight controller and a receiver, and I will have a quad, a 5-inch quad back up in the air. But anyway, there's still a lot of tape. Okay, finally. So this is going to be the April box. Damn tape. Okay, finally we're now opening the April drone drop box. So let's take a look at what's inside. As usual, we get 3 sets of props, and these are the Gem Fan Hurricane 51466. I believe we got we got some Hurricanes in the previous box. I think that was the 51499 whiskey props. These are, black, translucent black. I'm sure you can see this well. So yeah, these are the Gem Fan Hurricane 51466. Oh, there is a USB Type B cable. It's kind of weird, but yeah, sure, why not? We have what I believe is a smoke stopper. This is an XT60 smoke stopper. So you plug this in when you're trying out your quad, and then what's this? It has a cap. All right, so there's a huge ass fuse over there. So if you can see that, there's a huge fuse in there. I think this is an automotive fuse. I'm not really sure, but yeah, this is something that I would see in my car. Yeah, because I have burned the Helio Spring flight controller board before for some reason. Well, actually, I know the reason. There was one time that I accidentally flipped the power leads, the positive and the negative power leads coming from the ESC going into the flight controller. So it was reversed in polarity, and I had the flight controller go up in smoke. So that happened. So this April box is a special box because this was made in collaboration with Kebab FB. You know Kebab? He's the creator of those. What do you call those? I think the floss frames and everything. The Hyperlight floss. The glide frames. So this is, I believe this is a Hyperlight. I think this is a glide. And damn, I can't get this open. One second. Alright, so I have been a fan of Kebab FB for quite some time now. I've been subscribed to his YouTube channel, and I really like the work that he does. If you've seen it, all of the toothpick frames that are flooding the market right now, those are basically, just trying to imitate all of his ideas, and they put it into a commercial product. Which kind of sucks for him, but he just rolled with it. He's a really cool guy. So this is the I'm not sure what I'm doing, but I opened it and I was planning to show these things to you. These are really made from really nice carbon, actually, very thick. So this is the bottom plate. I'm not sure if you can see how thick that is. I believe it's going to be 4 millimeters thick. The arms are here. So when they shipped this out back in April, there was actually a problem with during the manufacturing process, and they shipped these arms, but it was lacking a hole. So you're not going to be able to use these arms unless you have a drill press. But thankfully, that's what the May drone drop box is for. Where's my let's get this open once again. I mentioned in my previous video that I stopped my drone drop subscription, so this is the last box that I'm going to be receiving for a while, saving up for a wedding. So I know it's just $50, but it's still $50, and that goes a long way. So this is the May drone drop box. Here we get the TBS Unify Pro 5G8 version 3, and I have been looking at this at the Unify Pro for quite some time now. I've been looking at it because I wanted to try it out. I have heard only good things about this. There's an EC that doesn't burn. There's an there's a VTX that doesn't burn. It's built like a tank, you know. So I have been waiting for this for quite some time now, and finally I have my hands on a TBS Unify Pro 5G8 5.8. I'm not sure if this is the 5-volt version or if this is the high volt version. From what it looks like it's 5 volts, so I'm still gonna need to be careful I don't you know, put 4S voltage in this thing. But yes, finally I have my hands on my own Unify Pro, so that's gonna be very, very good. We have the Ola FPV VTX Assassin. So this is like similar to the white noise board with the TBS Unify Nano before. This one will allow you to mount your. This is what it looks like. Sorry, here. This is what it looks like. So as you can see, you mount your VTX. I think. Yeah, this is a board where you can mount your VTX, your RX, and your stuff is all soldered here, and then you can mount your VTX and RX for a cleaner build. So this is really going to be really nice. It has stickers. So I thought it was a manual, but it comes with some stickers and a this connectors. Okay, fine. It's gonna be very, very useful. Yeah, I don't have an RX at the moment, so I really need to get one. Anyway, let's go. So we have this TBS Unify, this Ola FPV VTX Assassin. Of course, we got some new FX Velcro straps and some more of these FX watermelon prop propellers. These are actually very, very good. This is the last props that I had on Sierra, and they really, really flew nicely. I was able to go through all 3 packs. I think I had like two props left from the previous box when they first included this in the box. But yes, I have gone through them. I have flown a lot of packs on these propellers, and I can just say they really, really fly nice. So as I mentioned, the May drone drop box comes with these replacement arms for free. So now I have 2 sets of arms. One that is missing a hole. You're gonna have to see through the plastic, but you can see that there's 2 holes, where the first ones came with just 1 hole. And that's the solution. That's the solution that Drone Drop provided for everyone, and that's the good thing about Drone Drop. If they mess up, they'll make sure that they go back and fix the situation, and they have. So that's why I really like the Drone Drop team. So kudos to you, all of you. Like Cameron and everyone at Drone Drop. Right, so this is a prop bag. So you can see that there's there's dividers. It's divided into 3 pouches. So maybe you can put all of your clockwise props over here, and then you can put some counterclockwise props on the other compartments. It's up to you. Maybe you can put some, one of your micro props over in this green pouch. Then you can put oh, okay, so it's labeled. So this is for counterclockwise props. This is for clockwise props, and there is a middle pouch for for everything else. So that is okay. So it is for broken props. Yeah. I think I'm gonna use this as a thumbnail, maybe. Alright, anyway, so that is it. Oh, I forgot to show you the stickers. Obviously, for the April box, it's the Kebab FB stickers. Ooh, I really love these stickers. And then for the May, we have this ethics rodent roadkill weird morbid thingy for the stickers. Okay, fine. Not really that much of a fan of a dead rat, but still looks cool. So anyway, that has been it. This is going to be my last drone drop unboxing for a while. This has been the April box and the May box. Actually just got them a few days ago at the same time from the post office, so yeah. Anyway, that has been it. For now, I don't have a 5-inch to fly, but I do have some smaller micro-sized whoops I can fly. So maybe for now, that's just gonna keep me up in the air. But yeah, stay tuned. I will be back in the air. I will be building something, a new 5-inch for either for races or for long range. We'll see how it goes. All right. So anyway, as always, I love you all for the support, and thank you all for sticking with me during this time. As I have been telling my friends, it's not really the cost of the quad that really bugged me, more so that the where and how I lost my quad, and also the GoPro really sucks. Losing a GoPro really sucks. But yeah, it's expensive here, but I guess $200-300 for a GoPro, that's practically that's not that expensive if you're living in the US, if you're earning in dollars. But here, $200 and $300 is quite a lot. But anyway, the plan is I'm just gonna stick to some of those Cadex turtles first. Get me some HD video from any one of my quads, but and at the same time I'm gonna keep the costs down really low. All right. So anyway, that is the plan, and again, really thank you all for tuning in on my videos and subscribing. But if you aren't subscribed already, click on that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button if you like this video. If you don't like it, then there's also a thumbs down. Go ahead and click that as well. All right. Okay. So anyway, have a nice day, guys. As always, keep building and keep flying.